Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the brick partitions wall in Hearttopia. So right now, Hearttopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and in this event, you can craft any special furniture. One of them is this brick partitions wall, and to create this furniture, you need the recipe first. You can get the recipe after you reach level 30 at the battle pass like this. And after you get this recipe, it will add it to your workbench. So just go to your workbench and then just set for the brick partitions wall, this furniture, and then in here just complete all the materials. It needs rare timber, and then roaming oak timber, and then modular brick material pack. And after that, just adjust the amount that you want to craft, and then after that, just tap on craft and tap on hold to continue. Like this, and just like that, you will create the brick partitions wall like this. You will successfully create it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.